All right, go for it. No more.
By.
Written by
Corinne.
Germatt.
Yep.
Pictured by Noah Z. Jones.
That's my son's name, Noah.
Hmm.
Kirby, look, a squirrel.
And a cat.
And a cat.
Well, there's a part I really don't like.
Okay.
It's about to come, I know.
Oh, no.
Emma's dog, Toby, didn't like cats.
I don't know many dogs who do.
He didn't like spunky cats. He didn't like spunky cats. He didn't like snooty cats. He didn't like snobby cats. Cats always did exactly what they pleased. The cats were never in trouble. Toby was always in trouble. Here's the part I don't
okay.
like. When you're the cat next door was slinky, spunky, snooty, and snobby. Worst of all, he didn't pay any attention to Toby.
So she was just rude, huh?
Well, not rude to everybody.
Just Toby.
Yeah, just Toby. But in the end, she
Don't spoil it for me.
okay, I won't. He didn't pay attention when he got into the garbage. He didn't pay attention when he ran into the road.
Oh, that's bad.
And he did pay attention when he dug up the daffodils
Not good.
in Tucson.
Mm-hmm.
Keep out, Toby. Our neighbors are going away, said Emma one day, and Pandora is coming to stay with us. Toby stood by the door. He grumbled, he growled. Please, Toby, said Emma. Pandora is our guest. You have to behave. Pandora slipped by. He didn't look at Toby. He sat by Emma and licked her paws. Emma scratched her under the chin. What a perfect cat you are, said Emma.
Uh-oh.
Okay. That afternoon, Toby chewed up Pandora's toy mouth. Pandora didn't notice. Toby ate all of Pandora's cat food. Pandora didn't notice. Toby threw up. Pandora didn't notice.
Kirby, Toby throws up in the toilet. That's what you should learn if you have to throw up. Right? So you don't have to clean it up. Uh-oh.
The next day, Pandora clawed the curtains and scratched the sofa, and nobody noticed. That's weird.
I think somebody would notice that, huh?
Yeah, but that's weird. So Emma said, in the beginning, how you're a perfect cat, but now she doesn't even notice that.
Yeah, she's not a perfect cat, huh? Uh-oh.
She leaped onto the kitchen counter and
Sampled.
sampled the cake. Nobody noticed. When Toby leaped up on the kitchen counter, Emma yelled, Toby, get down from there right now! Pandora
Pranced.
by licking icing off her whiskers. Something had to be done about that cat. The next day, Pandora
Pirouetted.
across the patio and knocked over 5 flower pots. Nobody noticed. She chased all the birds from the bird feeder and scared all the fish in the fish pond. Nobody noticed.
Uh-oh.
Pandora climbed a tree. Nobody noticed. Pandora couldn't get down. Nobody noticed except Toby.
So is he going to save her?
Well, not really. He's not gonna save her, but he's gonna do something. You wonder why he's running in the mud, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Toby barked fiercely. Be quiet, Toby, said Emma. Toby ran in circles around the tree. Slow down, Toby, said Emma. Toby clawed at the tree trunk. Behave yourself, Toby said. Behave yourself, Toby, Emma said. Toby waded in the muddy brook and then ran back toward the house. Emma ran after him. You wonder if he's gonna make a mess?
I think so.
Toby ran into the kitchen. He rode across the clean kitchen floor with his muddy paws. Cat entry.
He's pretty smart.
Yeah. Emma's dad got a ladder. Emma's mom climbed up and got Pandora. I hope you won't get into any more trouble, said Emma. I'm not going to tell you that.
Okay.
But you'll see.
Okay.
Pandora didn't pay any attention. She winked at Toby and slinked off to Emma's room. Toby trotted right behind her. Nobody noticed except Pandora.
They jumped on the bed.
Yeah.
Is that the end?
And
Very cool.
it's actually a dog face.
Oh, and there's his tail. You're right. Well, Kirby has a present for you because it's Christmas.
Oh.
And you can have your choice. You can have either this picture of Kirby from last year, or you can have this picture of Kirby from this year.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
That one? Okay.
Oh,